Morning, how are you?
I'll be very saddened if she doesn't do that, because I think that the law is so clear that she should do that, and there's no question that if she doesn't, that I think it will irritate a lot of people in Congress. There are some who hope that she doesn't so that they can criticize her from this point on. I do not want to be in that position. It's become very apparent that the director of the FBI believes an independent counsel should be requested in this particular case. I think there's a good reason for that. I believe that the FBI believes that their investigation will be hampered by Justice Department people, as it has been in the past, if they don't request the appointment of an independent counsel. Keep in mind, if an independent counsel is requested, then that independent counsel will have the authority to look in all aspects of campaign finance irregularities. And that includes Republicans as well as Democrats. I still think that should be done.
Good afternoon. Thank you all for coming. Mike was out here a little bit early.
I was actually pleased to hear Senator Hatch say two very important things. First, he agrees with me and many others that the proposal to have an independent counsel named to investigate the phone calls that Vice President Gore and President Clinton made is, he called it a phony idea at one point. I admire his integrity in breaking with those Republicans who would really misuse the process to say you should consider prosecuting for those phone calls. No one's ever been prosecuted for those kind of phone calls. The law is ambiguous. The purpose is not aimed there. And I was glad that Hatch repudiated the notion of an independent counsel for that. Janet Reno has established herself as one of the people in Washington least likely to be politically pressured, and I think most of us will want to defend both her decision and the notion that when you're making decisions in a criminal case, you don't want politicians listening to political influences or polls. You want them to make it, as Janet Reno will be making this, on the law.
Recognition of this conflict does not belittle or demean. One of the most frustrating things that I face is to sit here and hear